Hello students, in this module we are going to discuss about the interdependence of Indian sectors or interdependency of sectors of Indian economy. How these sectors are interdependent on each other. There are three sectors: primary, secondary and tertiary. How these sectors are interdependent on each other. The three sectors are interrelated. One sector needs the help of another to carry out the production. Without one sector, another sector is useless. All the three sectors, primary, secondary, tertiary, dependent on each other for the production of goods. On the next slide, we will see an example of how the sector relates together in the production of cotton clothes, part of the fashion industry. You can see here cotton in the fashion industry. Cotton is grown and picked on a cotton farm. It is a primary product. It is the economy of primary sector because it is done by harnessing the nature, or it is done by using the natural resources. Now you can see that cotton sent to the secondary sector, and here in secondary sector cotton is processed to cloth. Cotton is a raw material and cloth is a finished good. It means here in the secondary sector cotton is converted into cloth, or we can say that raw material is converted into finished goods. All these work is done by the help of industries, by the help of machines in the industries. That is why this sector is also known as industrial sector. Now you can see that after secondary sector, processing is done and then product sent to, or cotton cloth sent to tertiary sector. For example, jeans, shirts, etc. are sold in the shops. In the process, many other services like banking, transportation, communication, storage, etc. are also needed. And who provide all these facilities, all these services? Tertiary sector provide all these services. In this way, I think all of you are very much clear that how primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector are interdependent on each other. Without one, another is useless. Without one, another cannot do the development. So all these sectors help each other in the development. Now the next topic is gross domestic product. What is gross domestic product? The products which are produced within the country. The value of goods and services produced in each sector. Each sector means primary, secondary and tertiary. In a particular year is calculated and added up. जितना भी खर्चा होता है गुड्स और सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड कराने पर, वो सारा तीनों सेक्टर का कैलकुलेट किया जाता है और उसको ऐड किया जाता है, प्लस किया जाता है. The sum of the production in the three sector gives us the total production in a country, that is called gross domestic product. GDP, it is the value of final goods and services. Final goods and services means when the things are ready to sell in the market. They are produced within a country during a particular year. It is called GDP. How do we count various goods and services and know the total production of each sector? For this, first of all, you should know the final goods. Final goods refer to the finished goods which are sold in the market, which are ready to sell in the market. And intermediate goods are those goods which help to make the final goods. All those goods which are used by the producer for producing other goods. This is known as intermediary goods. Thank you.